Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday, June 22nd. Hope everyone had a good week. Everybody is safe. We have a mystery unboxing to do. But I do believe it's for Amazon Prime. From China. Alright. Let's get inside. And of course, link is going to be down below, where you guys can get one at low cost. What is this? Whoa. A little beat up, but it survived. What's that? Jeez. Here. Got a USB. Box got ringed. This is called Artic Air. Oh boy. Box had better days. Looks like I was soaked. Hopefully this thing works. Box got damaged. Look at that. Maybe it fell off the boat or something. It got crushed. Artic Air. Way too cool. Any spacer. Enjoy cool, clean air. Blah, blah, blah. All that good stuff. Here she is. That's what she looks like. And like I said, link will be down below. You guys can get one at a low cost. I made it though. Made nice and safe, nice size cube. Here's a USB. We're gonna turn this thing on. Hopefully it don't blows up. We'll see what it does. We'll see if this is Arctic Blast. And it sure is getting hot in here. We got the buttons on top. 3 different modes. Power button. Something there. There's a filter. Alright. Now what do we got in here? Mystery component. Where is the USB plug-in? Okay, so you take the clip off there, pop it off, switch. Oh, here we go. Down at the bottom is the power cord where you plug it in. USB style. Should I pause for a second? I'm gonna switch over to my USB port. One sec. Here she is, nice plugged in to my multi-switch USB. I can feel it already on the. Oh, that's cool. Let me pause. Hold on. Oh, check that out. It has a nice green LED on the side. Alright, let's juice it up. Whoa. That's all the way. Not sure what that does, but it has a nice LED there. Maybe it fills up moisture. Who knows? We'll find out. Oh, heat. Oh, you can change the color. Alright. Oh, that's cool. You guys can see it. Got that red. Do it with the purple. Yeah, this thing is nice. Nice for your office space. It does cool really quick. Feel it up to here. Here some more. I can feel it. Oh wow. Definitely YouTubers, check them out. Link is going to be down below. And that's about it today. It is the Artic Air USB, I do believe, wireless. Just gotta juice it up. So it's gonna be test run right now. Let you know in a few days how it runs. If it's still running and everything. Really cool. Here's the side. Got that glow. Bam. Got that glowing. Definitely nice. Put that in your garage or your car in case you got your AC goes out in your car. Plug it into your USB and bam, got a backup That's really cool. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe, have a good weekend, and hopefully see you guys back tomorrow. If not, see you guys soon. See ya.